Hi guys, welcome to stylemoe.diy. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit with your Huawei phone. This is going to be something I'll be doing more often, showing you some editing process with different apps and different phones that I get to stumble on, and I've been able to manipulate and get the exciting aspects of the phone. For this phone I love using, I really do love it a lot because there's so much it does to pictures. It's really amazing. The Huawei P10 is really amazing. So I want to show you how I edit pictures, both the ones taken on this phone and any picture I collect into this phone with the default edit option. So I will attempt editing this picture that has a fuller my face facing the camera to get to show you how to use the beauty option, and the effects is going to give on the picture more. This is the instant pretty. This is just me smoothing it. The skin tone bronzing, brighten, or do the two. This is the sculpt. This is the effect it has on it. It just sculpts the face and brings out more of your features, the highlights and the contours and all of that. The blemishes will not be needing though, but doesn't have any serious effects here. Okay, we notice the lip, there's something going on the lip. Then thin face. This is why I said it affects the environment, so you ensure you do not overuse it. Just a little tweak is fine. The flash helps to reduce the lights. You see that, which is perfect. So preferably you could just reduce your bronze at once, or well, this is perfect. This is to make the eye pop more. See the difference? I think I'm good with this. This is to help reduce the dark circles. Seen any difference? Yep, I have. This is to brighten the eye. Perfect. I'm not sure the teeth is going to work. Okay, it has. So that is it. This is the before and this is the after. Before, after, before, after. Perfect blend so far as you are able to apply it in very little quantity. Once you overdo it, you get to make it look like a piece of joke. So this is it for this picture, and this is it for the beauty and adjust aspect I like using. I could get to go to my adjust, but I wouldn't do that right now. Okay, a little contrast isn't so bad, right? Nope, it isn't. What about shadow? Okay, I think I like it. I don't think I will need highlights, but I tried. Okay, this looks completely different. This is the before and this is the after. Before, after, before, after. I think I like this one. It's cute. Anyway, this is it for how to use your editing beauty and adjust option in your Huawei P10 or any P series editor or any other Huawei phone that has these options in its editor. This is how to manipulate it and ensure that you always take everything in little piece and bits. I am going to save this picture right now and see what it will look like when it's saved. I hope it doesn't break out. Dang, dang, dang. Perfect, beautiful. I don't need to add sharpen because it's already sharpened to my taste as far as I'm concerned. If you still want to sharpen it, please let it be just a little. So that is it, guys. That is it for this video. and subsequently I'll be showing you more options, especially the splash option, my very favorite ticklish aspect I love about this phone. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do ensure you give me a thumbs up, drop a comment telling me the kind of phone you're using, so if I stumble on it I could play with it and teach you how to play with it too. And share the video. If you have not subscribed to my video, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate that. And that is it. Tell your friend to tell your friend, that friend that likes selling to edit pictures. Please help me, just show them this video and let them handle it themselves from now on. It will be a good thing you do for yourself and for me. Thank you so much guys. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks to my new subscribers, and thanks to those who are pressing this button right now to subscribe. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.